Want jaw-dropping macro shots without breaking the bank? We've tested the top close-up filters of 2025, so you can capture tiny worlds in stunning detail, all on a budget. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned photographer, these filters can help you unlock a whole new perspective with your existing camera gear. Let's zoom in and see which one comes out on top. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Tiffen Close-Up Lens Set. Tiffen is a name that's been trusted by photographers for decades, and their close-up filter set really lives up to that reputation for quality. Right out of the box, you'll notice the premium touch, a leatherette carry pouch that not only protects your filters but also adds a sense of style and professionalism to your kit. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference, especially if you're carrying your gear around a lot. This kit covers a broad range of filter thread sizes, so it's compatible with most lenses you'll find on the market. Inside, you get 3 diopter strengths, +1, +2, and +4. While it doesn't include the higher +10 diopter you might see in some other kits, the real advantage here is flexibility. You can actually combine these filters. Stacking them lets you get even closer to your subject, which is great for a variety of macro needs, from flowers and insects to coins and jewelry. The filters themselves are well made, delivering clear, sharp images without introducing unwanted color casts or distortions. That's something you don't always get with budget filters. Despite the high build quality, this set is surprisingly affordable, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced photographers who want to experiment with macro shots without investing in a dedicated macro lens. Number 2. Polaroid Optics 4-Piece Filter Kit Set. Next up is the Polaroid Optics 4-Piece Close-Up Filter Set. This kit includes +1, +2, +4, and +10 diopter filters, all neatly packed in a water-resistant nylon carry case. That's perfect for photographers who are always on the move and need something durable and portable. Each filter is crafted from durable aluminum and features a dual-threaded design, so stacking multiple filters for even greater magnification is simple and secure. Polaroid's filters are multi-coated to enhance light transmission, which helps you capture true-to-life colors and sharp details without distortion or unwanted reflections. The wide selection of thread sizes means you won't have to worry about compatibility with your lenses, which is a huge plus if you have more than one camera or lens in your kit. One standout feature here is the impressive 10-year manufacturer's warranty. That's a level of confidence you don't see every day, and it gives you extra peace of mind that your investment is protected for the long haul. Whether you're a beginner exploring macro photography or a seasoned shooter looking for reliable close-up options, this Polaroid filter set offers versatility, durability, and peace of mind, all in one convenient package. Number 3. Vivitar +1, +2, +4, +10 Close-Up Macro Filter Set. Vivitar's close-up filter set is a budget-friendly choice for anyone curious about macro photography. It's available in a variety of thread sizes, so there's a kit to fit almost any lens, making it super accessible for beginners and hobbyists. Even if you're completely new to close-up photography, these filters are easy to attach and use, making them a great starting point for experimenting with macro shots. Now, you shouldn't expect the same image quality as a dedicated macro lens, but Vivitar's filters deliver decent results for their price. The optical quality may not match higher-end brands, but they're more than capable for learning and having fun with close-up photography. Each set comes with a practical nylon wallet for safe storage and easy transport, so you can take your filters wherever you go. Plus, Vivitar backs their filters with a generous 15-year warranty, giving you long-term peace of mind. If you're looking to explore macro photography without a big investment, Vivitar's close-up filter set is a smart and affordable way to get started. It's perfect for students, hobbyists, or anyone who just wants to see what macro is all about before committing to more expensive gear. Number 4. Hoya HMC Close-Up Lens. Set Hoya is another trusted name in photography. And their HMC close-up filter sets are no exception. They offer a wide range of thread sizes from 49mm all the way up to 82mm, so you're almost guaranteed to find a set that fits your lens. Each set includes 3 diopter options, +1, +2, and +4, so you can choose just how close you want to get to your subject. These Hoya HMC filters are designed to minimize reflections, boost light transmission, and reduce lens flare and ghosting. With over 97% light transmission, you can expect sharp contrast and well-balanced color in your images, even in challenging lighting conditions. The filters come in a padded pouch, making them easy to protect and carry wherever your photography takes you. Hoya also recommends using a narrow aperture when shooting with these filters, since the depth of field will be quite shallow. That's a helpful tip for anyone new to macro photography. If you're looking for reliable, high-quality close-up filters that deliver excellent optical performance, Hoya's HMC set is a solid choice for both beginners and experienced photographers. Number 5. NiSi 77mm Close-Up Lens Kit. Finally, we have the NiSi 77mm Close-Up Lens Kit, which takes a unique approach compared to standard options. This filter features a noticeably deeper design, with double optical corrective glass and an apochromatic design that helps minimize color fringing for cleaner, sharper images. Naturally, this higher level of optical quality comes at a higher price point, but for serious macro enthusiasts, it's worth it. This filter is designed for use with zoom or prime lenses in the 70 to 300mm focal range and fits 77mm filter threads, with adapter rings included for 67mm and 72mm lenses. NiSi also offers alternative kits for 58mm and 49mm threads, each with their own adapter rings for added versatility. Unlike most close-up filters, there's no specific diopter rating here. Instead, NiSi promises you can achieve true 1:1 magnification, or even greater, depending on your lens. For best results, the company recommends shooting at apertures between f8 and f16. If you're looking for a premium close-up filter with advanced optics and flexible compatibility, NiSi's option is a standout choice for serious macro enthusiasts who want pro-level results without the pro-level price tag. So, which close-up filter is the best? For unbeatable clarity and build quality, the NiSi 77mm close-up lens kit is our top pick. It delivers professional macro results without the professional price. Whichever filter you choose, you'll be able to capture the tiny details that make the world so fascinating. Happy shooting!